I do want to talk about one deal that I would love to fund in this deal, and I wanted to see you get your guys' opinion on it. And I know everybody's listening in, so I appreciate that. And this one, we've put several facilities under contract over the last couple of months. They've been pitching, and a lot of y'all have been listening in and watching me do all the pitching. But essentially, I wanted to just get into the deal that I'd like to fund first, right? This is the deal. And actually, let me pull up the picture so y'all can see what it looks like. And let me see. Here's the pictures. So I just pulled up a couple of them. So it's actually 2 facilities in Franklin, Georgia. And I'll show you, they're almost brand new facilities. So let me see if I can find like a good picture for you guys to see. And this one has a commercial property on it. And so this one, the commercial property is making $1,500 a month. All right. And then the facility itself looks like this. It's almost a brand new facility. This right here, you can see is the commercial property. And then this here is the facility, right? So you can see here, it's pretty nice looking. It's just a regular, it has a regular storage facility. It looks just like this. And the owner, so essentially the owner is sick. And we own a storage facility right around the corner from this one. And let me see if I can pull up Google Maps. So y'all can see it. And you guys could just check it out. So it's Google Maps, go to Miss Lillian's, just type in Miss Lillian self-storage. And it should take you to all of our facilities. And this one here is in Franklin, Georgia. And it is, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it's right here. This is Franklin, Georgia, right here. Okay. So the 2 facilities that we're going to buy are in this area as well too. So Franklin is a small town in a tertiary market in Georgia. We own a facility already there. Okay, we own this facility, and the owner called us up and basically said that he's sick and he wants to sell. And I can't remember if Chris called him. I can't remember if Chris called him or if the owner called us up, but essentially he wants to sell. He's not doing very good. He doesn't really have a lot of time to manage this thing. He has a full-time job, and he just honestly doesn't want it anymore. He just doesn't want it anymore. And so there's 2 of these facilities. All right. So I wanted to just show you kind of like, you know, what the storage facilities look like. They're both kind of newer facilities. I think one was built in like 2017. One was built in 2020. And let me see if I can show you this here. You can see, yeah. So this is, now they're both on 5 acres of land as well too. So they're both on 5 acres. They have a lot of room to be able to grow and expand. All right. And I've already talked to the county, and the county said that definitely you can just grow. You can just build if you want to build. So there's not an issue if we ever wanted to do that. But we own the Franklin, the one right around the corner, and he has 2 facilities. This one, and let me see if I could pull the other one up. It's going the other way. Hang on. This one, and then this one right here. So you can see it's kind of a triangle. And this is all buildable. You know, this is all buildable. We could add more units. He is he's 100% full. All right. He is making $150,000 a year on this facility. Okay.